In this lesson, I'm going to be invoking email sending functionality within the application. Okay, I will teach you how to do this kind of system. For example, when you open some mobile application, you have where they say click here to contact us. When you click it, it will open a contact form where you can fill and you drop your information and it will send to the company. And there's other functionality whereby you say click to contact us. When you click it, email will open. Then you need to now write email to the company. Okay, there are two ways of doing it. We have what I call in-app messaging and using email contact form. Okay, so we are going to teaching you how to do the email contact form functionality in this lesson. So today's lesson, as I'm explaining to you, is how to create or invoke email sending functionality in the application. You can see on my screen, when I click on contact us, it brought out these two app that I see on the screen. This is the email. So an email we are going to be using. Then you click on that email, you'll now be able to write email and send to the company. So that's what I'm going to be teaching you in this lesson, how to implement such functionality. So stay tuned and God bless you. I'm going to teach you how to create a user banners UI and functionalities. How to build a user profile account banners details in a dynamic way. We will also learn how to query database by fetching all this information or getting this information from the user's database and displaying right here. Like our previous lesson, I talked about querying a database, and you cannot query a database and query all information in database in this scenario, in this guide. What we do is to query a single user database. In other words, if a user login, the user can only see their personal information in the application. So I'm going to be teaching you how to do that. Okay, query a single user information. Like you can see on my screen, you can see the user balance is showing on the screen. You can see the user balance is showing on the screen, right? So I'm going to teach you how to do something like this. And in this recent payment that you can see right here, this is the user recent payment that you did in the app is showing here. And take a note of this star. This star is more like active than other stars. This simply means that it can be a different idea. You can implement what they call a checkbox here, meaning this payment have been approved by the company. So if it's not approved yet, it will show other kind of sign. So all this I'm going to be teaching you how to do in this lesson. You can see here these other ones are grayed out, while this is what active and is of orange color right here. You can see it. So I'm going to teach you how to do something like this. And also at the right hand side, you can see right here it has a plus sign. So when you click on this plus sign, more details about the particular transaction will be revealed, will be open, so user can see more details about the transaction. All these are dynamic functionality in the application. Like I said earlier in my previous video, this lesson is fully loaded. The series is fully loaded. Subscribe, stay tuned, and learn